Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's in this lecture I am going to solve an exponential equation which is sent to one of my viewers. So let's have a look how to solve it. So from this is an exponential equation, we have to find out the value of x. So see, this is the expressions. So from here we're going to find the value of x. So we can divide this equation x to the power minus m, 5 raised to x to the power x minus a. So in the both side we have to divide by this thing same. X minus m, I am dividing 5 raised to x minus m, right? Now these are the same thing, so they will cancel with each other. I'll get 1. So here if we apply the laws of exponents, then we can write, because their exponents are same, then we can write 3 over 5 raised to the power x minus m. We can write it from the laws of exponent. So here I'll get 1. So now what we can do, 3 over 5 raised to the power x minus m. As we know that anything to the power is 0, it's give you 1. So instead of 1, so I can write 3 by 5 to the power 0, because any number, rational number whose power is 0, that will give you 1. So here 1 is there, so instead of 1s I can write 3 by 5 to the power 0. So now if you see that their base are same, this is the base, these are the exponent. If the base are same from the both the side, then we can equate their exponent. So x minus m will give you 0. This implies x minus m equals 0. Therefore x is equal to, if we apply the applications of transpositions, then x will be equal to m. So this is the solutions. The values of x is equal to m for these exponential equations. I hope it's clear to everyone. Thank you for watching.